Yabancılar İletişim Merkezi'ne hoş geldiniz. Depaştola para divat tarlayı kekajay. Türkçe için biri tuşlayınız. Please dial 2 for English.
And the pandemic started, so I disconnected from the new world that I wanted to start to live with. I did hear music online, so it was very good because I learned Turkish and I made friends, Turkish friends, and yes, I was the only foreigner on that class. The whole course was in Turkish and I didn't know any Turkish on that time, so it was kind of a confusing. What are they talking about? And after a while, I get used to it and I start to understanding. So my professors was very kind to me. Also, my friends translating sometimes, or they changing the language only for me. So it was very nice, and I felt like home because they trying to help me to start to learning. So it was very good. Usually, when you are a foreigner or you're on migration in other countries, so you want to be a representative of your country. So especially when you are an artist, you want to show your art, your culture, and your roots in your art. So I think at first all the artists or the musicians, they are trying to show the arts of their countries, and after that, so they can mix it with the new country that they are living there. Right now, I'm playing with a lot of Turkish musicians, so I don't know. It's give me that feeling that I'm not foreigner here. But sometimes yes, because actually I'm Iranian. I'm living here, so I have to feel that.
You feel more at home here than you do in Iran now when you go back.
Exactly. Exactly.
Sayın yolcular, istasyon ve araçlarda ağız ve
Yabancılar İletişim Merkezi'ne hoş geldiniz. Depaştola para divat tarlayı kekajay. Türkçe için biri tuşlayınız. Please dial 2 for English.
Hoş geldiniz. Buyurun. 1,5 50.